Ever wondered why you yawn when you're tired, bored, or even after seeing someone else do it? It's not just about oxygen. Yawning actually helps cool down your brain. When your brain overheats from fatigue or overthinking, a deep yawn brings in cool air and resets your alertness. It's your body's natural way of saying, slow down, refresh, and reboot. So next time you yawn, don't fight it. It's just your brain taking a mini break. Cure4Sure BodynSoul, nourish your body, uplift your soul.